the Chinese occupation. We are all here, Tibetans, Turkestan, and friends of Taiwanese. And I know that we have many friends that would like to join, but maybe because of the circumstances or the situation, they couldn't come. But we all present, all the repressed, occupied people, that China is committing genocide against our people. We are the victim of genocide. We are standing here speaking in front of CBC that is sponsoring this game. CBC is not the only one, Toyota. What are the other companies? There are lots of companies that are
Omega.
this game. We condemn this from the bottom of our heart. By sponsoring, you are legitimizing the genocide that is taking place against our people, Tibetans, East Turkestan, Taiwanese, democratic reformers of Hong Kong, and I cannot name many others. We are the victim of genocide, and we are the living legend. We are the survivors of this genocide. So we condemn CBC for sponsoring. Once you sponsor, you are legitimizing the genocide that's taking place for these people. So we condemn from the bottom of our heart. If you cannot stop the game, at least empower your athletes. Empower these people to speak against human rights violation that is taking place in these places. So we encourage and we beg you people to tell us, athletes, sportsmen, to speak against the Chinese, occupation and the repression that is taking place against these people. And we also encourage the global communities to boycott, to do the diplomatic, boycott like the United States, Canada, Lithuania, and all the other countries like Australia. We want other governments to also follow suit and do the same thing, do a boycott Beijing Olympics. Tell your athletes to speak against, the Chinese regime, the human rights violation that is taking place. So we stand here to condemn the act by the Chinese. Even the International Olympic Committee for legitimizing, for endorsing. The president of the IOC has taken part in the propaganda that the Chinese government has endorsed. So by doing that, you are legitimizing the human rights violation. You are not taking responsibilities for the international law, human rights law. So we condemn people that are standing here, the reflection of the people that is suffering in East Turkestan, in Tibet. There are millions of Tibetans that are killed, millions of East Turkestan people, Uyghurs, that are being killed and tortured and repressed by the Chinese regime. So we are standing here to be the voice of the voiceless. These people are suffering in Tibet and in East Turkestan. We are the ones, we speak for them. We are the representatives of these people. And CPC has to take responsibility for